Did you know your body has a natural ability to heal broken bones? But what if you could speed up the process? In today's video, we'll explore 4 powerful natural foods that support bone healing and strength. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip. First up, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli. These superfoods are packed with calcium, vitamin K, and magnesium, essential nutrients for bone regeneration. Vitamin K, in particular, plays a key role in bone mineralization, helping your body absorb calcium more efficiently. Next, we have bone broth, nature's liquid gold for bone healing. Made by simmering animal bones, this nutritious broth is rich in collagen, gelatin, and essential minerals like phosphorus and magnesium. These compounds help rebuild bone tissue and improve joint health. Third on our list, fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, which reduce inflammation and enhance calcium absorption, speeding up bone repair. Finally, let's talk about nuts and seeds, especially almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. They contain calcium, phosphorus, and healthy fats that contribute to bone strength and recovery. Plus, magnesium in these nuts helps convert vitamin D into its active form for better calcium absorption. Here's your bonus tip. Staying hydrated and getting enough sunlight are crucial for bone healing. Water helps transport nutrients to your bones, while sunlight boosts your vitamin D levels, helping your body absorb calcium more effectively. There you have it, 4 natural foods to boost bone healing. Which of these do you already eat? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next one.